Got a new EOTECH in today. This is an EOTECH EXPS 3-0. Now, what do those letters and numbers mean? Well, let's unbox it and I will explain. And here we go, the 3-010. It's going to match this rail very nicely. Starting with the most basic, we have the XPS 2-0. And as you see, the XPS doesn't have that QD on the bottom, and it is an absolute co-witness height optic, meaning that the reticle will line up right with your iron sights if you mount it on your rail. I've got it on a Unity Absolute riser so that it can line up with their flip to center 2.26 inch mount. So then we have the EXPS 2-0. As you can see, it seems to have an extra part on the bottom. Well, that is a QD mount, and it actually sets the optic up a little higher. These end up being a 1/3 co-witness height optic. So if it wasn't on a riser, the irons would sit in the lower third of the optic window. And lastly, we have the EXPS 3-0. This is my newest one. Goes very well with this rail. Looks just like the EXPS 2-0 with the QD mount, but this one has a night vision button. All that really does is makes it super dim, super quick for using under night vision. And it also has a little bit different glass where it really transmits light very well for use under nods, passive aiming. So now that you know the difference between the XPS, the EXPS 3, and the EXPS 2, the other differences in numbers, like if you have an EXPS 3-1, 3-2, those all have to do with just different reticles than the standard donut of death.